the fire blight. So this disease is an interesting disease. It only occurs on certain trees, certain hardwood trees, if you want to consider them hardwood. Rosaceae family trees, only a couple now. The fire blight affects the crabapple tree, the apple tree, the pear tree, and the Bradford pear tree. Now, it's very distinguishable. I think they call it the fire blight because it makes the leaves turn red when they die. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that's what I would assume it means. But this fire blight is called the scientific name Irwin Amy Love Sosa. It's a weird one, I know, but it's actually a bacteria that gets into the tree from any open holes or however it gets in. But it spreads really quickly. Is the bad thing. It's hard to control. It has a quite a few problems once it can get to a problem really quick. If you have a plantation of apple trees and this gets out of hand, it can be hard to control. The only control methods for this bacterial disease is to cut the point of origin of where you see the affected damage on the tree off. So if it affects the leaves of the tree and it affects the branching of the trees. That's what it targets first. You can tell on Bradford pear leaves, apple leaves, whichever it's affected. You could tell that they're drooped down, they're red, brown. They just don't look good. They look like they're dead. There's no saving them. So wherever it's affected, cut it off. That'd be the only way to really control it before it spreads to other parts of the tree, which it spreads really quickly. So usually if you see one, you're going to see multiple cases of this disease because it moves so rapidly. But there's a place in Goldsboro called Waynesboro Park where you can see good representations of this disease. It's right on the walkways. You can see they have Bradford pears over there at Waynesboro Park that have fire blight going on. That'd be a good spot to look for them if you wanted to see them. But that's about it. It's a bacterial disease. The scientific name's weird. I think they call it fire blight because it makes them turn red. As far as I know, I guess insect infestation could escalate this disease too. But that's about it as far as this disease.